How to find deleted videos on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find deleted videos on YouTube. If you have previously used your browser to watch a deleted YouTube video, then you can find the URL of the video as well as the title in your browser's history. First, open Chrome and click the three dots in the upper right corner of the navigation bar to open the Google menu. Select the history and choose the history option. Or you can just press Ctrl plus H keys to open the history list. In the browsing history, find your previous viewing history to get the title and URL of the video. If you have recently watched, liked, or added a deleted video to your playlist, you can find it on the YouTube list and obtain its URL. After getting the URL, now let's follow the tutorial below to watch deleted YouTube videos with the URL through the help of Wayback Machine. To do so, navigate to the Wayback Machine webpage. Then, put the URL onto the search box and hit Enter. Now, you can see a calendar pop up, and the specific year that Wayback Machine crawled the URL will be highlighted in the year bar above. Here, click on the appropriate year, and you will see the specific date of the crawl. Click on any of the snapshots under that date. A YouTube page with the video will appear, and the video may be able to play. Note that if a deleted video has not been uploaded long enough, the URL for that video has likely not been crawled by the Wayback Machine enough for you to get search results. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.